Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Ranger door handle. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. You will also need your new replacement door handle. For many models, a rivet gun and 1/4 inch rivets are essential for securing the new handle. Having everything ready before you start will make the process much smoother and quicker. Let's get started by preparing the door panel for removal. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the interior door panel. Start by locating and removing any visible screws, often found behind the door pull or under trim pieces. Use a trim removal tool to gently pry off the panel, disconnecting any electrical connectors for switches like windows or mirrors. If you have manual windows, remove the crank. Once the panel is off, you'll gain access to the handle's mounting points. Drill out any rivets or unscrew bolts securing the old handle, then detach the operating rods and remove it. Now it's time to install your new door handle. Carefully connect the operating rods from the door latch mechanism to the new handle. This can sometimes be a bit tricky, often requiring you to work by feel within the door cavity. Once the rods are securely attached, position the new handle into its exterior opening. Use a rivet gun to install new 1/4 inch rivets, or use bolts and nuts if preferred, to firmly secure the handle in place. Test the handle's function several times to ensure it opens and closes the door correctly. For the final steps, reattach any electrical connectors for your power windows or mirrors, and reinstall the window crank if your Ranger has one. Carefully align the interior door panel, ensuring all clips engage properly, then reinsert and tighten all screws. Give your new door handle a thorough test, checking its operation from both the inside and outside of the truck. Make sure everything feels secure and functions as it should. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.